We've all probably wondered if there's any such thing as a perfect job, so we sent NBC's Cynthia McFadden on the road in search of it. And what she found at one family-friendly office in Minneapolis may just redefine work-life balance as we know it.
Imagine a job where no one worried about when you walk in, where you can bring your kids to work whenever you want. Hot luck chili is what's for lunch, and ice-cold beers always on tap. But wait, it gets even better.
Do they keep track of how much vacation time you take?
They don't care how much vacation time you take as long as we're getting the work done.
Welcome to Clockwork in Minneapolis, a place where no one seems to watch the clock.
When we drove up, the taxi said to me, "Look, they're having a party in there."
I think that's what people think from the outside looking in, but we work really hard.
13 years ago, with a little money, a couple of friends, and a lot of Midwestern pluck, Nancy Lyons took an old gas station and turned her dream into a tech company.
You know, I'm a woman with a mouth and big ideas. Entrepreneurism was the path I had to take. And I wanted people who wanted to do the work and who wanted to have some fun.
Today, she has 75 employees and is expanding.
If you look on our website, it says, "We like Mondays," and it's true.
Her army of geeks help other businesses figure out their digital strategies. Target, Best Buy, and General Mills are among their clients.
Hold it a second. Hello.
But it's how they treat their employees here that has everyone talking.
I've been working for a while in lots of different places, and this is the best place I have ever worked.
Oh no, he's going that way.
I always say it's not work-life balance, it's life balance. It's all life. We bring our work home, we bring our lives to work.
All right, so a cynic might say, okay, really all this family-friendly stuff is just a way to keep them here longer and make them more productive.
Sure, it works to the company's advantage often, and it works to the staff's advantage often too. Who cares about the soda? If you don't feel good where you work, and if you don't believe what leadership is saying to you, no can of Coke is going to fix that for you.
The secret sauce isn't so secret. It boils down, it seems, to respect.
Every person I talk to here says, it's the best place I've ever worked.
Yeah.
What does it do when you hear people saying that?
Oh, I get choked up. Yeah. Because that's what I wanted. Wow, look at that.
Little wonder Nancy Lyons is being asked to consult with other companies all over the country, and even the White House has called. As for whether the clockwork approach would work at bigger companies, Lyons believes it would, especially at startups. It's much harder, she says, to retrofit more established businesses. Lester?
I have an idea people are right now working on their resumes.
There you go.
They're hiring, right?
On the way to Minneapolis.